Okay, so let's see where these files are on your tablet. When we import them, we put our files in a specific spot, and it's a little bit helpful to know exactly where they are. I have a program called ES File Explorer that I've downloaded from the Play Store. Your tablet may have come with something called File Manager or something like that. I'm going to tap that, and I see here on my left-hand side I've got some choices. Favorite local library network and tools. I'm going to go to the local directory and then I'm going to click home, and I have three choices here. One is called SD card 0, one's called SD card 1, and one's called emulated. Now inside your tablet there is a tiny little SD card in its internal memory. Please don't get confused in thinking that that has something to do with QBOT. It's just the term that they call it, and it's fairly standard in Android to call it SD card 0. I click that, and then I see a bunch of folders that are within the folder structure of Android, and one of them is called QBOT. I click QBOT, and then there's another folder called QBOT Designs. That QBOT Designs folder was generated when you pressed the Design Management button and it installed all of those designs. I click that again and you can see the folders that we saw within the app. The blocks, designers, edge-to-edge borders, fast tracks, and phrases. And then if you click within those, you can see the individual designs that are within the app. Now, one thing that's very neat here is that we can add in our designs from design collections we already have. And I like to do this in the following way. I like to go to the download folder, and you can see I've got just two things in my download folder. Some designs, a design folder that I downloaded, and I'm going to now put in a DVD of Golden Threads designs into my computer. And I have my computer connected to this tablet through the USB cable that came with the tablet. And I'm going to now make a folder inside the download area, and I'm going to transfer over a couple of files, two designs, say. So in here, I'm going to just, let's see, I'm going to say new, press the plus button, click new, and then I'm going to say new folder. And I'm going to type in Golden Threads. Not Olden Threads. Golden Threads. Okay. And it made that folder. Now I'm going to go to my computer and I'm going to transfer some designs into that folder. First, I'm going to just say click on it here, and you can see that it's an empty folder. And then I'm going to transfer some designs over into it. So I'm on my computer right now, and I'm going to, let's see, go to my computer, and then I'm going to double click on the DVD drive that I have those designs in, and then the folder that they're in, and it's spooling up now. And what you're seeing on the screen is I haven't transferred anything into that folder yet, but I'm about to. And I see, let's see, there's a couple of edges here I'm going to pull in. I'm going to pull in one from that's number 435. I'll go back and I'll pull in number 460. And I'm just dragging over the PLT files. And it's transferred those. On my computer I can see that it's transferred. So I'm going to hit the refresh button here down at the bottom of the tablet, and you will be able to see that refresh, and you can see that those files have indeed been pulled over. So let's go back and see the completion of this process. I'm going to start my QBOT app again, and then it has to connect. I'll go to Design Management, and now I'm going to import designs. So I import designs, and it brings up the menu to import new designs. I'm going to go to my download, area. Let's see, I accidentally hit a button there. And I'm going to open the folder. You can see I can import the folder or just open it. I really just want to open it. Then I can see golden threads. I click that. But now I want to import the folder, which will import the designs and the folder name. Import folder. And it copies those over. And you can see at the bottom, they are now in a, there's now a new folder called golden threads. If you did not want to import that folder that shows up at the bottom, you would have just chosen import designs instead, which would import just the designs instead of the designs and the folder that they were contained in. So there we have that. All my designs are right there. I can pull up my golden threads designs. I can go back. I can see the designers and everything and so forth. Now to get out of this menu here or get out of this routine, I keep hitting the back arrow on the bottom. It syncs the patterns between the internal memory, and now we're back ready to quilt. Well, almost ready to quilt. We're going to go through the settings and things next.